Hello. Hey, if you're listening to this, you're one of the luckiest dentists that I know, because that means you get to spend time with Susanna Goggin and Asheville Periodontics. Hi, my name is Gary DeWood. I have spent a lot of years working with dentists and practicing dentistry. I met Susanna out here at Spear Education. I am no longer there. However, she invited me to come and spend some time with you in Asheville. I'm really excited about that. We were trying to decide what would I talk about? And one of my favorite things is to do a little thing I call the 4 riddles. And it's the 4 riddles of dentistry, if you will. I subtitled it, How I Learned to Stop Telling People What They Should Do and Discovered 100% Case Acceptance. Now, I'm happy to give you the secret to that right now, so you don't have to come. I can actually tell you the answer to that. You know what the answer to getting 100% case acceptance is? Don't do any dentistry with any patient until they ask you for it, pretty specifically. Now, if you're interested in knowing more about that, if that sounds like something you would love to know more about or be able to think about, please come and spend the day with me, because I'll spend time talking about how you can make that happen in your practice. I want to do a special thank you to Susanna for inviting me, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in August. I know it'll be hot, so it'll be a good day to stay in the air conditioning and enjoy some time with each other. Hope to see you there.